Guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I will show you how you can turn on Incognito Mode in the 4 most popular web browsers in the Google Store on your LG Q70. So we start from the Opera. In the Opera you have to just tap on the taskbar icon and switch to the private. Now just add a tab. That's it. In the Firefox, go back to the sites and tap on the taskbar icon again. Now just switch to the zero mask and tap private. In the Microsoft Edge, it's very similar to the Opera. Just click here again on the taskbar icon and tap on the in private. Now just add a tab and that's it. And the last one, the most popular, the Google Chrome. In the Google Chrome, just click here on this three-dot icon, on something it's an arrow icon if you have any updates, and tap on the new Incognito tab. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.